The ancient cradle Nineveh's shadow. Mosul is a very old city. It stands proudly in Iraq. The great Tigris River flows nearby. This river has given life for ages. Mosul's story is long and deep. It stretches back thousands of years. Close to Mosul was Nineveh. Nineveh was once a mighty capital. It was the heart of the Assyrian Empire. Assyrian kings were feared rulers. Nineveh was a city of splendor. Its ruins whisper tales of power. Mosul rose near Nineveh's ancient dust. After Nineveh's great fall, life went on. People sought new beginnings. The new city grew from the old. Mosul was a fresh start, a continuation of an ancient story. Crossroads of empires, from Assyria to Islam. The power of Assyria did not last. Once a mighty empire, its influence waned over time. Great empires rise and then they fall. The sands of time spare no one. Persians marched through these plains, bringing their own culture and power. Then Alexander the Great arrived, leaving an indelible mark on the region. Mosul was a piece in this puzzle, a city of strategic importance. It saw many flags, many kings, each left their own legacy. A land accustomed to change, Mosul adapted and evolved. The Romans also knew this region, integrating it into their vast empire. Their legions marched to distant frontiers, expanding their reach. Mosul lay near the edge of their world, a frontier of Roman ambition. It was a place of strategic value, coveted by many. Armies often crossed its paths, each leaving their mark. A new faith then swept the land, transforming its cultural landscape. Islam emerged from the Arabian desert, bringing profound changes. Mosul became part of the Islamic caliphates, integrating into a new world order. This marked a profound shift, altering its destiny forever. Under the caliphs, Mosul flourished, becoming a center of trade and culture. Its star was on the rise, shining brightly in the annals of history. Echoes of power. Great leaders and defining moments. Great leaders shaped Mosul's destiny. Nur al-Din Zangi was one such man. He was a powerful Zengid ruler. He made Mosul his strong capital. He fortified the city's walls. He built mosques and schools. He was a famous warrior. He fought against the Crusaders. Saladin, the great Kurdish Sultan, knew this land. He united many Muslim territories. Then came the Mongol storm. In the 13th century they arrived, led by Hulagu Khan, grandson of Genghis. Their armies were unstoppable. Mosul faced this terrifying onslaught, but Mosul somehow endured. It remained a vital northern city. A city of stone and spirit, Mosul's evolving face. This ancient city has witnessed countless transformations over the centuries. Mosul was a city of striking buildings, each telling a story of its rich past. The Great Mosque of al-Nuri was its jewel, a beacon of faith and resilience. Its leaning minaret was famous, a marvel of medieval engineering. Known as Al-Hadba, the hunchback, it stood as a proud symbol of Mosul's heritage. This minaret was a beloved symbol, admired by locals and visitors alike. It pointed to the sky for centuries, a silent witness to the city's history. A testament to faith and skill, the minaret's intricate details showcased the artisan's mastery. Many different peoples called Mosul home. Muslims formed the majority, but the city was a mosaic of cultures. But Christians had ancient roots here, contributing to the city's spiritual and cultural fabric. Jewish communities also thrived, adding to the diversity. They all lived side by side, creating a unique blend of traditions and customs. Each group added to Mosul's character, enriching its cultural tapestry through festivals and daily life. Mosul was renowned for its skilled crafts, with artisans who were masters of their trade. Its artisans were masters of their trade, producing exquisite works that were highly sought after. They produced fine cotton textiles, known for their quality and craftsmanship. Muslin was exported far and wide, bringing a piece of Mosul to the world. The city's souks buzzed with activity, a testament to its vibrant and enduring spirit. Resilience and rebirth. Mosul today and tomorrow. This is a story of a city that has seen the worst and is now striving to rise again. In very recent times, darkness fell. The city was shrouded in a veil of despair. Mosul faced a terrible ordeal. The streets were empty and the buildings bore the scars of conflict. The extremist group ISIS seized the city. Their presence brought fear and oppression. This happened in the year 2014. It marked the beginning of a dark chapter. Life under their rule was brutal. The people of Mosul lived in constant fear and uncertainty. Many ancient treasures were destroyed. The cultural heritage of Mosul was severely damaged. The Al-Nuri Mosque and its minaret, these iconic structures were not spared. Then came the fight to free Mosul. The battle was intense and relentless. It was a long and bitter struggle. The city became a battleground. Iraqi forces with allies fought hard. Their determination was unwavering. The city was finally liberated in 2017. The joy of freedom was palpable, but freedom came at a heavy price. The city was left in ruins. Much of old Mosul lay in ruins. The destruction was extensive and heartbreaking, yet the spirit of Mosul was not dead. The people remained hopeful and resilient. Now the people of Mosul are rebuilding. They are determined to restore their city. They are clearing the rubble. Every day progress is being made. They are restoring ancient landmarks. The cultural heritage is being revived. The city is rising from ashes. Mosul is on a path to a brighter future.